Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rachel. This is my YouTube channel, Rachel Went Shopping, where we talk about all things luxury, shopping, handbag addiction, sneakers, accessories, you name it. I love all of the above. In today's video, I am going to be doing a Gucci unboxing from the latest 100th Anniversary Aria Collection. And I will also be talking you through the pre-order process that I went through for the Gucci Balenciaga collaboration, also known as the Hacker Project. So if you're interested in hearing more about that, make sure you stay tuned till the end. Let's get into it. So from what I've heard, people like when YouTubers get right into the unboxing and show you what they got. So I'm going to start with that, and then I'll get into the Gucci Balenciaga stuff at the end. So this item in particular is not from the Gucci Balenciaga collection specifically, but it is from the Aria 100th Anniversary Collection. So it did come in this Gucci 100 bag that you see here. It has all the different Gucci fonts that you have seen over the years. So it is nice to have a nice little commemorative bag there. It is in green and it has this burgundy handle color. Oh, also it says this shopping bag is 100% recyclable, made from FSC certified paper with organic cotton handles. Remove handles before recycling. So nice little sustainability action there. All right, so this is probably one of the first unboxing videos I'm gonna do where I'm not going to tell you what the item is in the title. So go ahead, here's the box. Take a guess on what you think this might be down below in the comments, because I'm not going to give you a spoiler alert. All right, you've got the pretty green box with this beautiful etching detailing on it, and again the burgundy ribbon. Take this right off. So I have not looked at this at home yet. When my sales associate got them in, I pre-ordered these. When they arrived, he sent me a video of them, and then I did see them in store on the shelves, but this is the first time I'm unboxing these at home. So here we go. Inside, oh, here's a receipt. Pretty expensive, but you'll see why in a second when I open them up. So Gucci has these beautiful little receipt holders here. Again, it's got this sort of damask oriental type pattern on it. All right, got a bunch of care booklets here. First thing in the box that you see there is some extra laces. So tell me if you guessed right or not. I think you know what's in this box now. The beautiful like newspaper type print there. There you go. All right. Any ideas what I picked up? I have not seen these shown or unboxed yet on YouTube, so this should be something new. Here we go. Ah, they're so beautiful. Okay, I don't think this is showing on camera, but these are covered in sparkles. And if you have watched some of my other videos, for example, my Prada crystal bag unboxing, you will know that I love sparkles. So when I saw these in the catalog, I had to have them. A little tasteful, tiny little stone there, and it is perfectly placed along the Gucci pattern. There are two different color stones. You have a darker color on the actual Gucci print, and then you have a lighter brown color in between the print. And it has this beautiful little sparkle. So it has the classic green, red webbing stripes there, which obviously is classic to Gucci. I love the shape of this sneaker. So let me see, what is this called? I don't know what this one is called. I'm gonna have to look it up. But I love this because it kind of reminds me of just like a standard Converse sneaker. I have the Dior version that looks like a Converse sneaker, and I did not have one like this from Gucci, so I thought this was really cute. I like that it was the classic brown canvas Gucci print. I don't own anything in that But in honor of the 100th anniversary, I thought it would be great to add something with that classic print to my collection. I feel like these will never go out of style because they've got the classic green and red and then the classic Gucci print. They're obviously very logo heavy and they're very flashy because they have crystals on them, but I still feel like they're a forever piece. I have the Ace sneakers in the floral design, and I feel like those are very much from that specific season and they're kind of like out. If I wear them now, I feel like I'm out of style. These, again, I feel like because they have like just the classic Gucci branding, they will last forever. So let me take out this here, and it has this little protection here. It says remove only after sale. Okay, so this, I believe this is called the tennis style. So it says Gucci tennis there. The interior of the shoe kind of has this like terry cloth print on it. And it says tennis 1977. You've got this brown Gucci logo there. Look at all the detailing on the sole, you guys. All the GGs. It says made in Italy. And then on the front cap of the shoe there, again, you have the GG and then this green print running throughout. I just think that these are adorable. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this crystal is subtle, or do you think that it's too much and tacky? I don't know, guys. I love them, okay? I love crystals. I'm never gonna get over it. Yes, I think some crystals are tacky, but I think that this will add the perfect little pop to my outfit, and that is the unboxing. So let me get into why I wanted these and tell you a little bit more about my thought process.
I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso. Add it up, I'm just doing me. Everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told ya I'ma do me. Why you hating on me?
Okay, I set them behind me here, and now I feel like we can chat a little bit about this. When the Aria collection first launched in April, I loved it. I did not have a second to shoot a video about it, but you guys, like literally when I tell you I was screaming from my room when I went downstairs, my nanny asked me like what was going on because I just thought it was the most beautiful thing. I loved all the throwbacks to Gucci heritage, to Tom Ford, and then of course the Gucci Balenciaga collaboration. Like it was just hit after hit. The music, everything, I just loved it. It just brought all of Gucci together for me. I just thought they did a really great job. They made it really fun. It was the most excited I had been watching a show in a really long time. So I was a fan, and to be honest, you guys, I don't own a ton of Gucci. I'm not like a huge Gucci lover. You guys obviously know I love Louis Vuitton. Chanel was my favorite brand. I haven't talked about Gucci a lot on my channel, but I'm obviously a fan of all luxury designers. And when I saw that, I was just like, oh my God, they killed it, okay? They literally killed it. There was so many things that I was interested in. One of the pieces that I thought was just like a showstopper was the fully crystal cape. And obviously I'm just a normal person. I have no reason to ever own a fully crystal cape, nor could I probably afford one. But that was like one of my favorite pieces, okay? I just thought that was stunning. Anything with sparkle crystals, I just loved it when I saw it in the show. When I went in to place this pre-order for the Hacker collection, the cape was in the lookbook. I want to say it was only $9,800, which I say only because honestly I thought it was gonna be like 20 grand at least. It's covered in crystals head to toe, but it actually was only $9,800. I don't know. Anyways, I was going through the book. Obviously, I have nowhere to wear that cape. I'm not spending $9,800 on a crystal cape with Gucci print all over it. That's freaking crazy. I'm not a celebrity. I have nowhere to wear that. But when I saw these sneakers, I was like, this is the perfect way for me to add something that I thought was like one of my favorite pieces from the collection and to take it home and have it in my closet. So that is why I went with the crystal sneaker. And if you guys have been watching, I love girly stuff. I love pink. I love crystals. I love shiny. I love sparkles. So when I saw this sneaker, I knew I had to have it. It is a little pricey. Like I said, I believe they're $1,250. I will put it up on the screen. I think they're available on the website now. But yeah, that is why I decided to add this pair of sneakers to my collection. It was like the perfect combination. Classic Gucci print, sparkle, 100th anniversary. I just loved it, okay? So that was what went behind my decision making. Now I wanna talk to you guys a little bit about the Gucci Balenciaga hacker project and how I went about pre-ordering for that collection and when it's coming out and how you can get it. I took some notes on the timeline, so if you see me looking down at my phone, that is what I'm doing. So the Gucci Aria 100th anniversary whatever show debuted on Thursday, April 15th. Like I said, I freaked out. I was screaming from upstairs where I was working. I was super excited about it. I called customer service that day and I was like, how can I place an order for pieces from this collection? Like, when is it gonna be available? When is it launching? Blah, blah, blah. They knew nothing. Customer service hadn't even seen the show. They didn't know what was going on. Gucci customer service number is similar to Louis Vuitton. It just sends you to like a center of people or whatever. I don't know if they work from home, whatever, but it doesn't send you directly to the store. So they had no information for me. They were very nice, mind you, but they had no information. On May 5th, I decided to go up to the store and speak to someone myself and figure out how I could pre-order or reserve the items I was interested in from this collection. The SA knew what I was talking about, but he had no information on how to order it yet, okay? I told him that day what I was looking for so that like the second he got any information, he could contact me and we could start the pre-order process. I followed up with him on May 26th, which was just like 2 or 3 weeks later. And he was like, nope, still nothing. I was just like trying to stay on top of it because I knew how difficult some of the bags from this collection were going to be. On August 26th, around that time, I had started to see some pre-pictures on Instagram, I think coming out of Asia. So I figured I would text him and see if there were any updates. This was August 26th. When I texted him, I immediately got a call back. They said they had gotten a lookbook and that I could come in and view the lookbook and pre-order and attempt to pre-order basically. So I made an appointment to come in on August 29th. That was a Sunday. I went in, you guys, and when I tell you I viewed so much in this lookbook, I want to say it was like 400 pages. It was the entire Aria collection, bags, shoes, small leather goods, jewelry, ready to wear, all of it. Everything that was basically coming out for the fourth quarter. And part of that was the hacker collection. While I was going through that book, that is when I saw the sneakers and I added them to my list, but they were so cute I couldn't pass them up. Then I ordered 3 other things from the Gucci Balenciaga hacker project specifically. I'm not gonna give you any clues. I may or may not get them. Like honestly, Gucci's pre-order process, even the sales associate told me when he's ordered pre-order things in the past, sometimes they show up, sometimes they show up really late, sometimes they don't show up, which he hates disappointing his clients, but it happens. So I ordered 3 things, well, 4 things total. I got the sneakers. 3 other things I have on order. I don't know if they're coming or not, but I will keep you informed. And I'm not gonna give away anything until they arrive, but then don't worry, I'll tell you everything. And if I don't get some of the items, I will tell you what happened too. That was August 29th that I went in, viewed the collection, and I pre-ordered. They gave me the option when I placed this pre-order to either put half money down or full money down. And I don't know where I read this, but I read somewhere that if you put full money down, you have a better chance of getting it. I don't even know. I might have made that up. But I was like, let me pay for it in full. Maybe that'll give me a better shot, whatever. So I paid for everything in full. Again, this was in August, and then they said they'd contact me when everything started arriving. So then the first week of October, I got a FedEx package and I had no idea who it was from. And I opened it and this little box was inside with this little note for me, and it was from Gucci, and I was like, oh my gosh, is this one of the items I ordered? Like, I didn't know what it was. I was really excited. The sweetest card from my Gucci sales associate that says, hello, I wanted to send you something sweet to hold you over until your pre-order arrives. I look forward to seeing you again. Your friend at Gucci. How adorable is this, you guys? This is service, okay? Hermes does not send you chocolates. Louis Vuitton has sent me gifts, but guys, this is how luxury shopping should be, all right? So inside the box, look. It is not from the collection, but it is chocolate. Look how cute that is. They're all little different chocolates, but how adorable is that, okay? So that was the first week of October that I got those. Then a few days later, I got a text that the sneakers had arrived. So on October 12th, the sneakers came in and I made an appointment to pick them up on the 14th. So I went in, I picked up the sneakers. I already paid for them, so I literally just got them and took them home. While I was there, he told me that the official launch date for the hacker project in the US was 11/15. So the official launch date of Gucci Balenciaga is November 15th, as far as my sales associate knows. On 11/2, my sales associate texted me like yesterday, and he said that he could see in the system that 2 of the items of the 3 from Balenciaga Gucci collection that I had pre-ordered have shipped. The 3rd item still says pending, it does not say shipped. So 2 of the items he anticipates I will get next week. So I'm super excited about that. I don't know if I can go pick them up or if I have to wait until the 15th, TBD. I'm also really hoping that the 3rd item ships because I really wanted it, and I've been sort of holding off on a lot of other purchases while I wait to see if I can get this item, because obviously I already paid for it. So cross your fingers for me that I get all of the 3 items that I wanted. One other thing was, so when I went to reserve all of it, he did say that there were going to be pop-ups, you know, throughout for this project. Some of the items were available to pre-order and some of them were not. Like they said not able to reserve. Like in the lookbook, it said in red font, you cannot reserve them. One of those items was the Gucci Balenciaga jacket that was just, I know Cassie keeps talking about it. She's obsessed with it. You were not able to reserve that. You could only buy it directly from the pop-up location. There were several random items that were unable to be reserved, but actually a good amount of it was able to be reserved, but there was definitely like a reserve max. One of the bags I wanted was just no longer available. It had been at one point, but there were only a certain amount made and you couldn't reserve it anymore. So keep that in mind. And it is possible that more stuff will trickle in. I don't know. I will tell you, there was a ton of stuff. I wish I had pictures. There's a ton of stuff in the collection that I did not know was in the collection. There were key pouches, scarves that said Gucci Balenciaga, all kinds of cute stuff. So if you're interested in owning what I think is a piece of fashion history, to see these 2 big luxury design houses collaborate, if you want to have a piece of that in your collection, you could get something smaller that's a little less expensive as well. It doesn't have to be a bag or anything, but so keep that in mind. And if you haven't talked to your sales associate yet, go up to your store and ask. Maybe you can still reserve something. Otherwise, I would suggest at least finding out when your store will be putting the product out. If it is November 15th, you're gonna wanna be there to see what they get and to see if there's anything that you want. Anyways, I'm really excited about the things that I ordered and I cannot wait to show them to you. I hope that you like my sparkly Gucci sneakers. I'll try to put in some up close detail shots. I think these are so cute, you guys. I just love sparkles. Okay, glitter just makes you happy. And if you think sparkles are tacky, then I feel like you're an unhappy person because these are so cute. Okay, that's all the information that I have. So I hope that you found that helpful. I hope you enjoyed the very first Gucci unboxing that I've ever done on my channel. And if you enjoyed content like this, I will be putting up a few other video options of mine that you can check out. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up. That helps out the algorithm, it helps out my channel, and I will be back with more videos for you very soon. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.